Imagine you are taking a relaxing bath. You have a rubber duck. 2, 10. Everything is happiness and bubbles. But what if you don't stop? What if you keep adding rubber ducks until you break the laws of physics? Today we will answer the most absurd and cosmic question. How many rubber ducks are needed to create a black hole? The short answer is a lot. The long answer involves crushing gravity, astrophysics, and the end of human existence. To understand it, let's talk about the Schwarzschild Radius. Everything in the universe can become a black hole if compressed. Yes, even you, your dog, or a rubber duck. You just need to crush the mass into an infinitely dense point. But we won't use a giant hydraulic press. We will use the most relentless force, accumulated gravity itself. An average rubber duck weighs about 50 grams. It is made of air and plastic. It floats. It is innocence incarnate. If you start stacking ducks, their combined mass creates gravity. At first, they form a tiny, ridiculous yellow moon. With 1 billion ducks, you have a squeaky asteroid. With 1 trillion, the pressure in the center starts heating them up. Soon, you have a planet of melted plastic. But we need more. We need gravity to overcome nuclear forces. We need to collapse spacetime. According to physics, for something with the density of water to collapse under its own gravity, you would need a mass equivalent to over 100 million suns. That is a textbook supermassive black hole. Translated into 50-gram rubber ducks, we are talking about a number with nearly 40 zeros. 1 trillion. To be exact, about 80 sextillion ducks. A yellow sphere the size of our entire solar system, collapsing inwards. In the center of this monstrosity, plastic and air are crushed. Atoms surrender. Light itself cannot escape the pull. You just tore the fabric of the cosmos using bathtub toys. And this is where science clashes with philosophy. Physicist Carlo Rovelli, in The Order of Time, reminds us that reality is just a complex network of relations. And Albert Camus, in The Myth of Sisyphus, exposes the absurdity of the human condition seeking meaning in a mute universe. Is there anything more representative of this absurdity than a rubber duck black hole destroying absolutely everything we love? Our human brain is designed to categorize. This is a harmless toy that is a light-devouring cosmic monster, but the universe doesn't care about our categories. Gravity is blind. Mass is mass, regardless of its shape or color. A singularity born from dead stars is poetic. One born from rubber ducks is a comic tragedy, a cosmic mockery. It shows us that the line between the mundane and the apocalyptic is just a matter of scale and pure quantity. Perhaps we are like those ducks, floating in the vast ocean of space, oblivious to the titanic forces surrounding us. We think we are in control of our little galactic bathtub, ignoring that the cosmos operates by rules that vastly exceed us. So next time you see a rubber duck, show it some respect. It contains the dormant potential to extinguish the stars. It just needs an army of 80 sextillion brothers to carry out its yellow and destructive universal master plan. If you enjoyed this existential crisis disguised as absurd science, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Leave in the comments what other everyday object we should use to destroy the universe. See you in the next collapse.